Hi, today's topic is traditional fungal food, tempeh. This is a sort of Indonesian food. Tempeh is a traditional meat analog of Indonesia. It is a white and moldy cake produced by fungal fermentation of soaked, dehulled, hydrated and partially cooked soybean cotyledons. It can be sliced and fried in fat or cut into pieces and used as a protein rich meat analog. You can see that on screen, a very tempting slide of tempeh. Now, as I told you, it is made up of soybean. Soybean are washed and soaked for 12 hours. During this period, it undergoes bacterial acid fermentation. Consequently, pH is lowered to 5 or below. The other method is to bring the soybeans to boil and then soak in water for about 12 hours. This helps to dehull the soybeans. Soybean are rubbed gently. The hull floats on water surface and from where they are removed. The cotyledons are boiled for a very short time to get them artificially cooked. So now you get cotyledons, which are actually, after dehulling, you get cooked cotyledons, which are now going to be inoculated. Artificially cooked cotyledons, they are drained, cooled, surface dried and inoculated with pure culture of Rhizopus oligosporus. After this inoculation, it is placed in packets of banana leaves or plastic bags, wooden trays, etc., incubated for 2 to 3 days at room temperature to get actually crude tempeh. This can be consumed as it is or can be further dried at 104 degrees Celsius, dehydrated to less than 10% moisture and packed in polythene bags. This can be marketed as packed tempeh. And if you're talking about the crude tempeh, it can be cooked as it is and consumed, or the packed tempeh can be distributed further to get the commercial quality of tempeh. For this, I have referred Wikipedia and textbook of biotechnology by R.C. Dubey. Thank you so much for patiently listening.